Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, What My Lens Sees. Always happy to have you here. Definitely a snowy day here in Colorado, but certainly beautiful out. So wanted to take a quick walk and share a little bit of info with you guys. I think this is actually going to be pretty relevant. A lot of the subscribers to my YouTube channel are getting out there, you know, whether it be travel, vlogging, fly fishing, or just kind of a camera junkie like me. You know, I think a lot of us probably have a GoPro in our camera bag. So as you probably all know, the new GoPro Hero 8 Black comes out on Halloween Day, which is just a few days away. And you know, I really contemplated, do I need this? I've already got a GoPro Hero 7 and a GoPro Hero 5. So I was trying to think to myself, do I really need this new piece of gear, as if I don't have enough already? You know, it's got improved image stabilization. I think it can do 4K at 60 frames per second with the new version of their stabilizer. So talk about smooth slow-mo footage. I think that's going to be a huge improvement just right there. But I'm not sure that it was enough to, you know, justify spending another $400. So I was kind of just doing some research online and found something that I wanted to share with everyone. And that is that GoPro is offering $100 off of the new Hero 8 Black if you can send them one of your old digital cameras. That's pretty sweet. I mean, that's 25% off. They make the process really easy. And if you're like me, you probably have some old digital cameras that are just sitting around collecting dust somewhere in your house. So I just thought I'd get that message out to everyone. In case you are in the market for a new GoPro, why not save $100 in the process and get rid of one of those old cameras that's just collecting dust in your house? So what I'll do when I finish up this nice little nature walk, when I get back to the office, I'll quickly show you the GoPro website and share with you the very easy steps and the few rules that they have around sending in that old digital camera so that you can get that $100 in savings. So I'll check back in with you here in just a few minutes when I get back to the office. Until then, just check out this beautiful Colorado scenery. Okay, back at the office here, and wanted to quickly share with you how to get this savings from GoPro. Just pull up your web browser, dial up Google, and search on GoPro Hero 8 Black TradeUp. The first thing you're going to see in the results is that advertisement. Go ahead and click on that, and we are now at the GoPro website, and here you go. TradeUp, $100 off. There is one footnote here, one caveat if you will, so let's just scroll down to see what that's all about. Basically, whatever you trade in, whatever digital camera you find in the basement or whatever, needs to have an original retail value of at least $100. So just keep that in mind. Also, all trade-ins are final, so if you have some pictures on a memory card in there, make sure to pull that out first before you send it off. It also lists off the various countries that are eligible for this offer. So it's a really easy process. You just pick the camera that you want, $100 off the Hero 8 Black or $50 off the Hero 7 Black, and the process is super straightforward. You print out a shipping label, you take it to a UPS store, and you drop it in the mail. A couple days later, they'll acknowledge that they received it, and before you know it, you'll have one of those bright, shiny new GoPro Hero 8 Blacks in your possession. So I hope all of you can benefit from this offer. I know a lot of you probably do have that GoPro in your camera bag, and it just might be time to make that upgrade. So if you are planning to do that, no better time than now. Take advantage of this trade-up offer. Reap the $100 in benefits. Go out for a nice dinner for you and your family. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you here back on the channel coming up here soon. Take care.